Hi everybody, it's Jessica Eves Matthews here. Today I'm doing a video blog, and it is time to have a serious conversation about getting your legal foundation in place for your business. I know that this is not a totally sexy topic. It's not a fun thing to spend your time on. I know, believe me, I would so much rather talk about branding or developing a logo or coming up with some cool concept or creating content or planning an event. All those things I know are super fun, much more exciting, and are much more of an expression of who you are in your business, and that's the real meat of what you do. But I'm here to say that without a solid legal foundation, it's like building a house without a proper foundation. It's like a tree with no roots. It absolutely doesn't matter how beautiful that house is or how beautiful that tree is. It will not stand. The house will fall over without a foundation. It will give in eventually. It may take some time. You may have a beautiful looking house for a while, but without a solid foundation, that house is going to break down. The structure of that house is going to begin to break down. And ultimately, all of your hard work on building that house is going to be lost. Same with the tree. If there are no roots, the tree may look beautiful right now on the surface, but it's not healthy. It won't bloom, and it certainly won't be able to withstand heavy winds or any type of storm. And ultimately it will die without roots because it can't get nourishment, can't take root, and it can't have stability. So I know that those are kind of cliche analogies about kind of having your foundation in place, but it's really critical for your business. And I know there are so many of you out there, especially if you're a mompreneur. I know I'm a single mom. I am really busy. I get really exhausted. I'm always juggling 15 million things every day. And it's easy to let that stuff go. I mean, I'm a lawyer, and there are times that I kind of go, ugh, I've got to take care of this. I know that, it's when we have energy and we have time, there are other things that we'd rather spend our time on. But I want to say that if you don't take the time to get your legal foundation in place, you're going to face all sorts of surprises, some that you may not anticipate, that can really undercut your hard work and potentially, can take your hard work away. I've just heard too many horror stories, and I've represented clients where that's happened. So I urge you to take some time this week to figure out what it is you need. And I'm here, I really believe that is part of my calling, is to help women entrepreneurs figure out what they need and get their legal foundation in place as painlessly and easily and affordably as possible. So what I'm doing, and I've mentioned this before, but I'm launching a new Business Brilliance University. And I have a few products on there already. There's a huge library of information products, do-it-yourself products that are going to be on there very, very shortly. Just about anything you could think about that you would need for your foundation. I want you to get on the Business Brilliance University. I want you to sign up for my email list so that you have notification when other products are added, because we're going to do a big product launch very, very soon. And I want you to begin chipping away at getting your foundation in place. I'm making this very easy for you. And so please take advantage of it. This resource is for you. This is how I get to be of service on this planet. I get to take my 15 years of experience as a business lawyer and a business litigator and a legal professor, and I get to share it with you in a way that makes it easy for you to get your foundation in place. I've worked for companies. I represented Paul Allen, who is the other founder of Microsoft. I was his head of litigation and compliance for his company. And I hired lots and lots of outside counsel, and we had a big budget for that, and we spent a lot of money on lawyers. And what I want to do is I want to make it as possible for you to have the legal coverage and the protection that you need that someone like Paul Allen can afford. That's my goal. So get on my website, please check that out. Please sign up for email notifications of when other products are added. There's some on there right now that you can get going on right now. So if you have any questions, definitely email us at support@jessicaevesmatthews.com. But please don't neglect this. It's too important. What you're doing is too important to take unnecessary risks. Okay? So promise me you're going to start taking care of it today. Thanks. Bye.